So like terms are terms that have the same variables and the same powers. The same variables and the same power, as simple as that. So when you find terms with the same variable, you know that these are like terms, and those variables must be of the same power. All right. So for instance, for example, you have 3x, 5x. All right. These are like terms, right? Because they have the same variable and the variable are of the same power. This is just x raised to power 1, right? So they have the same power. Okay. Then if I have y squared, 2y squared, 4y squared, or it could even be negative 4y squared, all right? These are like terms, okay? Because they are of the same power and the same variable, okay? I believe that is understood. The same power, the same variable, okay? These are like terms. So when we talk about unlike terms, it's the opposite, right? It means they do not have the same variable, or they have the same variable and the variables are not of the same power. All right, that means they're unlike terms. Or they have the same power but different variables. Okay, let's see. Different variables, different powers. So you have x, you have y squared, you have 3p. Okay, so these are unlike terms because they do not have the same variables, they do not have the same power. And then you could also have unlike terms with the same variables but different powers. So you have x squared, 3x squared, 3x raised to power 3. All right, these are unlike terms. They are unlike terms because though they have the same variables, but the variables are of different powers. Okay, these are unlike. You cannot operate them. Okay. And you have the same power but different variables. Let's say you have x squared, y squared, p squared. Okay, so all having the same power but different variables. These are still unlike terms. Okay, so if you don't have the same variable, the same power, you cannot call them like terms. So it is very important because for us to simplify or solve our equation in algebra, we must understand the concept of like terms.